Welcome back again, viewers. Today I'm going to review about the best smart garage door opener on the market. At number 1, Chamberlain MyQ technology-enabled garage door openers. This door opener will help you open and close your garage doors with the help of your smartphone. This is because of the MyQ technology. You will even receive customized alerts on your smartphone each time your garage door opens or closes. This will help you stay in control of your home safety at all times. This opener is very easy to install. All you need to do is connect it to your local internet router and you will be able to connect it to all wireless devices in your home. At number 2, Genie 3-button remote with Intellicode Security Technology. This door opener is able to control 3 openers and is compatible with all Genie models. You can remotely change the access code for a garage door that will help you to stop authorized people from accessing your garage. It uses dual frequency that sends out strong signals and helps the door open and close efficiently, even with a distance. It is very simple to use and includes a visor clip as well as batteries. And at number 3, Chamberlain B730 WD962 garage door opener. This garage door opener is one of the quietest that you'll find today. It comes with a DC belt drive system that helps drive down the noise. It even comes with a built-in battery that will help you operate it in case of a power outage. It is a smart door opener that can be integrated with your smartphone and your tablet. You can even set a timer to close the garage door after a few minutes depending on your usage. It even includes a control panel and wireless as well as keyless entry system. Moving on to number 4 is the Chamberlain WD1000WF garage door opener. This is another crowd pleaser as far as garage doors are concerned. It has a smart built-in technology that helps you control it with your smartphone with using Wi-Fi connectivity. It is compatible with 8 feet as well as 10 feet high doors. This door opener is Wi-Fi compatible and comes with battery backup in case of a power failure. You also get a wireless keypad and a sleek looking wall control. There are safety sensors to help prevent break-ins as well. At number 5, Chamberlain PD612EV garage door opener. This is another very popular Chamberlain product. This door opener is compatible with multiple radio frequencies and is compatible with 7-foot doors. It even automatically switches on a light when the garage door opens as well as helps at night. You can control and monitor your garage door with your smartphone as well. It can be integrated with your vehicle control system as well. You can open or close your garage door with this help of your smartphone due to Wi-Fi connectivity.